Wallets in Web3 do not stand still. New blockchains require corresponding solutions from wallet developers, and each time they become more and more technologically advanced, more convenient. Now I will show you how to install ArgentX wallet in your browser to be able to interact with Darknet. You'll find the beginning of the instructions in the timecodes, and I'll duplicate the timer here. But I want to say a few words about Argent, since the company has several wallets which are designed for different purposes: Argent Vault, Argent ZK Sync Wallet, and ArgentX. We'll install the last one today, but the first two are also worth mentioning. Perhaps if you ask for it in the comments, I'll record a video about them too. Argent Vault is an Ethereum-only smart wallet and is the easiest way to access DeFi on the Ethereum network. Argent Vault is available for both iOS and Android. The cool thing about it is that it charges almost no transfer fees, and it's not exactly the wallet we are used to. In fact, it's not really a wallet at all. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency wallets with startup phrases and limited functionality, Argent is a wallet with smart contracts. The notable difference will be that it requires a network fee to set it up, paying an activation fee. Next, mail transfers are free on the Ethereum network. In addition, there are features that many of the wallets we used don't have. The Guardian type, where you can't execute a transaction until a second person has approved it. You can also put limits on withdrawals to protect yourself. The second product is an Argent ZK Sync wallet, a ZK Sync Ethereum Level 2 network wallet that allows you to work with cryptocurrency on Ethereum with lower fees and faster transactions. It was released in beta in the summer of 2021. Argent ZK Sync Wallet is available for both iOS and Android. And the hero of this video, ArgentX, which allows you to communicate with the Starknet Layer 2 network, which is based on Ethereum. Every address on Starknet is a smart contract. Starknet is currently in alpha testing. ArgentX, a browser extension for Chrome and Firefox browsers, is a wallet powered by Starknet. ArgentX was the first wallet on Starknet and is now actively used by developers of Starknet decentralized applications. It's a wallet that allows you to try Starknet via early test network, explore the available projects, and, as we understand, it gives access to testnet applications, which is actually what we are interested in. The installation is quite similar to what you did before with the previous wallets. I will now install ArgentX as a Google Chrome browser extension. To do this, click on the button corresponding to your browser and we are directed to the Chrome app shop. We can make sure this is not a phishing scam by looking at the number of installations. We see more than 200,000 installations, so it's good, just click install. Then we get to the wallet itself, which offers us two options: create a new wallet or restore the old one. We create a new wallet, so we click on the appropriate button. Then to continue, we must agree with the disclaimer. Check two boxes and click continue. Then we should make a password and repeat it, and we press create wallet button. That's it, our wallet is ready to use. It invites us to subscribe to Twitter and join Discord, but so far we are not interested. On the top right, there is a reminder that you can add the wallet to the browser extensions to convenience, but we already know it. We click finish. When we open the extension, we are welcomed by the familiar wallet interface, something that reminds us of the Trust wallet. At the top, we see the name of the wallet, its address, which we can copy. On the left menu of switching accounts, by opening it and clicking on the plus symbol on the right, you can create a new one. and we can easily switch to the previous one. On the top right, we can select the network, mainnet or testnet. On the right side of the screen, we can see the settings section. By clicking on it, a menu pops up with the option to open the wallet to full screen, and the address to the address book, display connected dApps, and an interesting item, show recovery phrase. We can click, enter the password and see our passphrase, which we can copy and save in the secure place. To get your money, we click on Get on the main page and choose how you want to get it, whether you purchase by card, from another wallet or by using the bridge. To send funds, click on the Send button. But in order to do this, you must have them on your balance. As you can see, we have a yellow tab asking you to set up account recovery. Click to finish setting up, and we see that we are asked to have the recovery phrase that we have already seen in the settings. We agree, and if we have saved the phrase, we click yes. Done. Let's go through the sections. As you can see, there are 4 of them. The first is where we have been so far. The second is your NFT. The third is the building swap. And the fourth is the history of your actions. That's all there is to know about the ArgentX wallet. I'll be waiting for your feedback and whether to write a video about the mobile wallet and its features. See you on the Blondie channel.